Hey, thank you very much for yesterday. I had to shoot one video, it was just a demo video, and I wanted to share some of my glimpses. I'm starting out with the YouTube channels, and I want to share all of my knowledge which I have previously used for my clients, and I want to share all insights also. I want to share some psychological myths and proven strategies about marketing that works for your business and that will help you find customers. So keep watching this series and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get all the updates from my YouTube videos. Now, starting with this video, make one message that every business comes from a background where they see the failures, see the mistakes going on in their businesses. They have to face these challenges and come out from all those challenges to build a business. So that's how business function. But you need to realize that at some point, if you are doing any mistakes, you have to learn from it, you have to apply another strategy. A lot of people have different myths in their mind, and in this video, three myths I'm talking about. First thing is that starting an online business, they think that I need to build a website, otherwise I cannot start a business. But that is not a correct way. First, you have to understand a market, customer, their pain problems, and build a product that actually solve a problem of our customers. And it has a steps. When you're starting with a prototype, you have to understand key problems, and then you have to add that features that can actually help your customers. So initially, when you are ready with MVP or a first initial products, you have to test it out with the customers, find out 10, 12, 15, 20 customers, and then give the product a test so they can use, and they can give you a feedback, so you can use that feedback to build a product better. So that's how you can get started. Either you are selling a digital product or a physical products. These are the way. Second step is that don't build websites so fast, because you need some data for the website which actually help you to prove your product that is actually beneficial for the customers, as well as your tone of the copy. Everything matters when you find a right customers. Second myth about businesses is that they go on a social media and they start out with posting some graphics and some videos. They think that I'll get the business, but actually you are just waiting for the first customers to arrive to your ads and click. But that will not happen, because you have to run a strategy marketing. You find out what actual strategy works. Now, the two or three strategy, let me talk about that. When you are positioning your product, the first strategy, you have to understand what tone of the messages you want for your customers to understand your products. So that's why how you start with the first campaign. So if you have to do a paid marketing to get some quick customers into your funnels, they can help get more sales, as well as they'll give you some cash, and you can use that cash to build a business. Either some business owners are also have a myth that I'll do the SEO, and in maybe quickly in 1 or 2 months they start getting results. But that is also not happen, because SEO is completely a long term strategy. When you start out today, you will start getting results from 6 12 months. After 2 years, your traffic will grow, your lead will grow, but the whole customer journey should be more optimized. So third myth about starting a business, they quickly think that I'll just build a website and I start paid marketing and I'll start getting results. But that is also not happening, just because you think that your website is only the thing that will help you to convert more people, but not actually the offers, offer and the optimization of the whole funnel. When you are showcasing your product, you make sure that on a product page you share all the benefits of your products, how they can utilize the product, and the difference, the transformations they get when they use your product. So if you are not clear with this, as well as some social proof, that you have to prove them that my customers are using and they're happy with that. If you are putting this all together on a product page, so your product page is completely optimized and a no-brainer offer. That offer can actually realize customer that I want to buy now, not later. So that will help you convert more customers. So these are all the checklist for the product page optimizations, and you have to keep this, keep eye on these product pages, and every time whenever you find traffics and they go to the conversion part, they actually not convert, then you have to optimize all this meanwhile doing the business. First, let me repeat, we had the clear idea about three myths. The first thing is that do not build websites so fast. Understand your market, understand your customer, their pain problem, and they start building out a product. Second myth is that do not just be on that posting graphics on social media, putting some videos on social media, there is no followers, and you wait for the customers, but that will not also happen. Third thing is that you think that okay, I built a website, a product page is designed by a theme, but that will also not help you to get more conversions. Your product page must be as triggers. Your customers must understand the benefits, some social proofs, and some graphics about transformations. All this requires to get more customers to convert to become your buyer customers. So these are the three myths. Just think about that without burning any money on online businesses, so you get consistent grow for your business. Now if you like this video, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as share it to your friends and family members who are doing businesses but making so much mistakes, and this will help you a lot. Bye bye, see you in the next video.